We are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.